Welcome to day 5. Today is the day 5 of the e-course. Today what we're going to cover is how to sell when you have already accumulated position. So in day 1 we actually cover what is trend following. Day 2 what is the insider and short swing. Day 3 we cover what is the CSI and also the peak and trough. Day 4 we cover what was the trend rating indicator, and today in day 5 we want to cover what is how do you sell your position after you have accumulated position. So there are actually 3 ways to sell. Let me show you the very first way. The very first way you want to sell is you look at the CSI indicator. Okay, this is the CSI indicator. This represents to you the market trend. Okay, the market trend. You will only use this indicator, this way of selling, only if you are already in profits. Okay, if you are already in profits, you are looking to sell position, then you may want to use this way of selling. Okay, so the first way is, say example, you have entered this position, okay, on this arrow over here, okay, and you are already in the profits. Okay, you bought the price, maybe you bought it around here, you're in the profits, and then you are waiting to sell. So you will look at the trend rating indicator, the CSI, and then you will look at this indicator over here, and then you will start to draw a line over here. Okay, so the day that you bought is actually over here. This is the day that you bought, and then you start to draw the line over here, and you will use it to trace it until this line crosses below. Okay, like example here, this is the point where it crosses, so you sell it the next day. Okay, so you get in here, once it crosses below, next day you will sell off your position. So this is the fastest way to sell, and you only do it if you are already in the profits. Okay, you do it only when you're in the profits. Once you're in profit, you want to take profit quickly, this is the way to sell. You get in and then you get out maybe sometimes as fast as 5 days. Okay, this is the fastest way to sell. The second way to sell is actually to look at this line, okay, which is the peak line, the trough line. This is the trough line, and let's say example you entered on this candle, okay, and then this will become the trough line for you, right? This will become a trough line for you, and you only sell if it closes below the trough line, If it does not, then you use this trough line as your trailing stop loss. Okay, like in that example in here, you bought some position here. Okay, the first time you bought some position here, the second time, and you bought some position here on the third time, and each subsequent time you will buy lesser and lesser. So maybe here you buy 50%, here you buy 30%, here you buy 20%, and then you will use this support line or this trough line as your trailing stop loss. So you see here it's very close to trough line, go up, the trough line continue to go up, some more, the trough line continue to go up, and then over here you see it closed below the trough line. So once it closed above the trough line, you will exit all position. Okay, you will exit all position. Whatever you have bought earlier, you would exit the position. So you bought some here, you bought some here, you bought some here, and then you will exit everything here. In general, you will still be profitable because even though you bought 3 times in total, 1, 2, 3, and you sold slightly at this price, your average cost will be maybe around here, because you have bought the majority of your stocks at a lower price. Okay, so again, this is the second way to sell, and the last way to sell is you will wait for the candlestick to change color. Okay, candlestick to change color, which is here. Okay, eventually you will sell off your position once candlesticks change color over here. So these are actually the 3 ways to sell. One is drawing the trend line on the CSI, one is using the trough line, and one is using the candlestick turn rate to sell.